Hello friends, before starting today's content, let us revisit the introductory video of PPF. So let's start. Only Indian citizens are allowed to open account in this scheme. One individual can open only one account. Minor can also open account in this scheme, which is to be operated by legal guardian. The minimum deposit in a year is 500 rupees and the maximum deposit in a year is 1,50,000 rupees. Total tenure of the scheme is 15 years. This account can be opened in any post office branches, any nationalized bank and any other authorized banks.
Hello friends, welcome you to my channel Financial Freedom. Namaste. And friends, today we will discuss about the discontinuation in PPF account. When does a PPF account become discontinued and how this discontinued account can be retrieved and can be made regular. And the second thing we will discuss today is the loan facility in PPF account. Okay, and the third thing which we will discuss today in this video is the partial withdrawal facility. So let's begin the
Friends, let us now discuss about the discontinuation of account. Here we will know about when does an account become discontinued and how this discontinued account can be revived and can be made regular. Okay, so let's start. Suppose an account holder has deposited a minimum of 500 rupees in the initial year and he fails to deposit minimum deposit of 500 in the next year or in any subsequent year, then that account can be treated as discontinued, and this discontinued account can be revived and can be made regular only on a payment of fine of rupees 50 along with a minimum deposit of 500 rupees for each year since it has become discontinued. Okay, third condition is the loan facility and partial withdrawal facility is not allowed in discontinued account. So to avail these facilities, the account has to be made regular. Friends, let me now discuss about the loan facility on PPF. Yes, loan can be availed in PPF. So, but there are few conditions. Like number one, this facility can be availed only after the end of the second year and before the start of the sixth year. Okay. Second point is the eligible loan amount. The maximum eligible loan amount is 25% of the amount which is available at the end of the second year in PPF account. And the interest rate which will be charged in loan is 1% more than the accrued interest rate. Like the current rate of interest in PPF is 7.1%. So if you avail the loan, then it will be charged at 8.1% on the loan amount. Third condition is only one loan is permissible in a year, and the new loan, fresh loan is provided only after the repayment of the earlier one. Okay, and the total repayment period is 36 months. Friends, let me now discuss about the withdrawal facility in PPF. There are few conditions on the withdrawal facility. Only partial withdrawal is available in this scheme, and the withdrawal is allowed after the expiry of the first 5 years, and the withdrawal amount shall not exceed 50% of the amount that is available at the end of the fourth year or at the end of the preceding year, whichever is lower. Okay, and withdrawal can be permissible only once in a year. Thank you friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you all liked the video and are getting what I am trying to explain about the PPF scheme. I hope you all will be a part of this scheme by opening an account in this scheme, and I wish everyone please like this video and give your love and support by subscribing the channel and sharing it so that each and every Indian citizen can have an access about the PPF scheme and have a very good future about financially. And thank you very much for watching, and be safe at home. uh, be careful in this COVID times. It is very much important, and do try to learn things and do new things from home. There are many more opportunities coming. Try to learn about your oneself, and be financially disciplined. Thank you very much for watching.